What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Lundmark colorway. These dropped on July 13th for a retail price of $220 US or $300 here in Canada. Alongside this colorway, which was a regional exclusive, Adidas also dropped the Antlia and the Synth colorway as well. So this one was available only in North and South America, whereas the Antlia colorway was only available in Europe, and the Synth colorway was available, I believe, in Africa, Asia, and Australia. So I managed to grab my pair online through Adidas.ca, but it seemed like the hype for this shoe was pretty high. To be completely honest with you guys, when I first saw pictures of this shoe, I was kind of confused because I figured that Adidas already released this color. To me, it's very similar to the Statics and also very similar to the Sesames as well. Regardless though, it's still a very clean looking shoe, especially for summer, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the shoe and I'll give you guys a closer look. So the upper of this Yeezy is still constructed out of prime knit. If you take a close-up look, you'll see it's a combination of this off-white or beige color alongside a gray prime knit. Running down the center of the shoe, we have the signature thick stitching, which goes from the tip of the toe to the top of the tongue. On the lateral side, running almost from heel to toe, we have this transparent stripe, which shows off a bit of the interior of the shoe and therefore the socks that you're wearing. You might also notice on the back heel, they've also removed the pull tab that was previously found on almost all the other 350 V2 colorways. I personally don't mind this at all, and I think that it gives the shoe a bit more of a cleaner appearance. On the medial side of the shoe, you'll see it's completely done in prime knit, and we have this very interesting pattern that runs throughout the length of the shoe. In terms of laces, so these come with your signature rope style Yeezy laces, and these feature hits of 3M found throughout. The interior of this Yeezy Boost 350 V2 has additional padding on the sides and the back Achilles area, and also found on the back we have the Adidas 3 stripes, also done in 3M. Pulling up the insoles, these come with your signature Yeezy insole, and we have the Adidas and Yeezy branding on the heel. So the upper of these Yeezys sits atop this full-length Boost midsole. The Boost is encased within a rubber carrier, so this is not visible to the eye from the sides, but this rubber carrier has that same ribbed pattern. You might also notice that on the back heel, a portion of the midsole is a different color than the rest of the midsole. So on the back heel, there's a portion that protrudes from the outsole on the bottom and wraps around the top, and this part is done in a darker shade of beige, almost giving it a brown appearance. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole, so this is done in that same sort of light brown or dark beige color. We have those cutaways that expose the Boost midsole on both the forefoot and on the bottom heel, and this is finished off with Boost branding on the very bottom. So if you guys are wondering how these fit, pretty much they fit exactly like all my other 350 V2 models. So my feet measures as a true size 10, and I picked these up in a size 10.5. Some people say that they're able to go true to size on this model, but I find that the toe box is still a little bit shallow, and I prefer the added wiggle room and space that going up a half size provides. Basically, whatever size you've been buying in this model, I'd stick to that same size for this colorway. Comfort wise, so I really don't have to say too much, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2, as I've mentioned many times in the past, is a very comfortable sneaker. The Boost within the midsole is super thick, and you really feel that softness and the squishiness of the Boost throughout. In addition, the prime knit upper is very flexible and it's pretty breathable, so overall this is one of my favorite Adidas sneakers from a comfort standpoint. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up, I'll put them on feet and show you guys how these look. I'm very curious to see when Adidas is going to stop production of the 350 V2 model and start production of a V3 or something else down the line. With so many colorways of this shoe, honestly, as I mentioned from the start, I'm kind of losing track of all the different colors. And in the case for this shoe, I feel like it's super similar to the Statics along with the Sesames. Regardless though, looking at the shoe objectively, it's still a very clean looking sneaker, and that's the reason why I picked this up for my collection. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this Lundmark Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Did you guys pick this up or did you guys pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.